Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is vladfarla.com and this will be a quick video on how to disassemble a Dell, 15-inch Dell Model 5000. Now I'll be removing the battery, which is quite easy I suppose. Now I will be opening this laptop just so that... oh yeah, also this actually sounds promising. Maybe... wait a minute, maybe this thing just... well, anyway, this button, as you can hear, well, as you cannot hear, it's not working, so I need to repair it. I'm not quite sure how, but I will be trying to repair it anyway. Now, I cannot press it. Now I did remove the battery, and okay, so let's... oh, I don't like that noise. So let's unscrew all the screws. These screws will probably be longer, probably. Oh, yeah. These screws are usually longer than the one that hold the hinges. This laptop looks like it has already been opened. I believe this one and this one hold the drive, so we'll probably be able to remove it. Okay, yes. There is also one or two, yeah, three screws underneath here. So one more screw in here. And this one is longer as well. And there are a couple of more screws in here as well. Also longer ones. But as you can see, you can actually read the markings. And there are usually arrows. Interesting. There are usually arrows that point which screws you need to remove. And there is also one screw in here, and there is an arrow as well, so this one should be removed as well. There is an arrow, so I do need to remove the hard drive as well. So this screw is the one probably holding the keyboard. And to remove hard drive, you just pull this thing up and remove it. The original is 500 gigabytes. Okay, so I think this should be easy to remove at this point. Or not. Oh yes, it is. And again, just push it upwards. And there you have it. Now I probably need to push this thing one more time, because this tends to auto-lock itself. Now pull this thing up. So yeah. All of these screws are of the same size at the moment. Oh yeah. And again, if you don't know what is the size of the screw, you can just read it in here. Okay. Okay, this looks promising, I think. Yes, it definitely does. So this one opens from underneath. I don't know whether this is an awesome design or horrible design. Let's try to open it from underneath. Yes, as you can see, this thing actually opens from underneath, which kind of sucks because you need to replace the power button, which is, well, not on this side. So let's try to open it from this side. Why is this thing already falling out? I will be removing this thing as well. Okay. And you can see clearly there are markings for black and white wire, so you need to mind that. Okay. This thing looks like we are coming in. Again, speakers are falling out, so I will be disconnecting them as well. And this should probably pop out. So let's open the laptop from this side, and let's use the prying tool on this side as well. So come on, Dell. Nothing is easy as it seems, so let's try to push this thing to open it. Okay. And there you have it. We are in like Flynn. This is actually quite hard to open. So this laptop actually opens from underneath. And I need to replace this, I believe is the power button, and I'm not quite sure how to fix it. I'll probably need to resolder something. So that kind of sucks. And there you have it. Basically this is the way to open the laptop, and let's see whether this power button is working or not. Yeah, this is the smallest power button ever. I'm not quite sure how to replace this thing. It is working, just not that good. I'll probably need to buy a new one. That is pretty much it for this video, and well, have a good day. If you like, if you share, if you subscribe. A lot of ifs. Bye bye.